Ningbo Longting Outdoor Products Company Limited, a diversified company based in Ningbo, Zhejiang, specializes in swing sets, swing accessories, garden equipment and toys, etc. With multiple production lines for swing seats, slides, climbing rocks and swing accessories, Ningbo Longting boasts a strong production capacity, manufacturing up to thousands of units daily. Our facility covers 5,340 square meters and employs 39 skilled staff, including 2 R&D engineers and 3 QA/QC inspectors. Equipped with advanced machinery such as sanding, cutting machines, blow molding machines, injection molding machines, four-side molder, and independent testing laboratory, etc. We ensure the highest product quality for every of our clients. We offer a wide range of OEM/ODM customization options to provide tailored solutions for each product, including material replacement, label, packaging, color, size, and logo customization, ensuring every product meets our clients' specific needs. Our quick lead time also ensures we can fulfill the diverse demands of all our clients. With 12 years of export experience, Ningbo Longting delivers an annual production output over several million units. Our major clients include leading retailers, engineers, wholesalers, brand businesses, private users, and manufacturers such as LIDL, ALDI, Costco, Walmart, and Asda, etc. Certified with ASTM, CE, Yen 71, and FSC, Ningbo Longting is renowned for its quality and reliability. We guarantee excellent after-sales service and offer global shipping. Our continuous product innovation ensures that new designs are regularly introduced to meet market demands. The expertise of our engineers and our collaborations with top-tier global clients further highlight our leadership in the industry. And Ningbo Longting will remain dedicated to delivering exceptional products and services to all of our customers.